What's going on? It's Ready Set Homestead, and today we're going to be pressure washed. So, we know how to pressure wash? This is how you pressure wash. No fluff with the feathers. We're going to get right into it.
All right, first things first, you're going to have to get the area clean. So move everything out of the way, get all the leaves off. We kind of neglected our front porch because, well, we never use it. We always go in through the back door, through the carport, and the only time we use the front porch is when Amazon comes. So figure make it look nice for them. We're going to be using a cleaner. It's 30-second outdoor cleaner. Got this from Home Depot. It's about 13, 14 bucks. It is a little on the expensive side. That's just for 1 gallon. You didn't hear it from me, but I know you can also use chlorine. So it's 1-to-1. I have a 4-gallon backpack sprayer on. You can see I use this for weeds. I use this for cleaner, but it's great as an applicator. When you're applying the cleaner, go from top to bottom. Now, don't do the ceiling first. You're going to do your walls. So walls from the top to the bottom. Then after you're done with the walls, move to your floor, then move to your ceiling. You don't want to do your ceiling first because all the stuff is going to drop on you. Now, if you notice, I'm wearing a white hat and I'm wearing a white shirt. The reason I'm wearing a white hat and a white shirt is because when that cleaner drops on you, essentially most of those cleaners are bleach. It's going to discolor your clothing. Not all of them do, but a lot of them do. So I wear white. Make sure I always wear a hat. I also make sure that I wear glasses so I don't have to worry about any kind of splash. But just make sure that you're wearing proper, PPE, protective equipment, so you don't get yourself hurt, because nobody wants to get hurt while you're pressure washing. Pressure washing is supposed to be fun and enjoyable. So same thing when you're pressure washing here. A ton of different pressure washers you can use. You can get electric or gas. This is a gas pump I was using. I don't know what the nozzle's called. It's yellow. It's got the wand gun, but there's a bunch of different things you can use. So this one right here, when you're pressure washing, same thing. Start on the walls, go from top to bottom. When you're done with that, then you can do your ceiling, you can do your floors. Me personally, I love doing floors and concrete and slabs and things like that. So I do go back and forth just because for me, that's the most satisfying part. Talking about satisfying, when we moved in, these pillars on our house was this dark brown color. We never saw the original color, and I've never pressure washed them. Look at that. Golly. I mean, they are gorgeous. We are super excited about it. We were talking about it. Just changes the whole look of the house. Having it on there. So get all those cleaned off. I was pretty excited. I had to go out and tell her. Of course, you got to do the sides, by the garden beds. But here we go. Here's the satisfying. Oh, man. Yeah, look at that. Oh, yeah. Getting all that off. Man, I changed the concrete on the sidewalk from black to white. It's just crazy. When you do your door, make sure that you keep your door shut. Also be careful on any painted areas. I did strip off a little bit of the paint. Probably should have taken off that Google, video doorbell, but I didn't. So showing you on the ground here, this is the last little bit of concrete I had for the floors. Make sure you get in that corner, and then you're just going to kind of go side to side. They do make attachments specifically for this that don't spray water everywhere, so you can use them inside. I don't have it, but I'm just going to let you enjoy the sound of the pressure wash for just a minute. There's something just satisfying about pressure washing. I hope it was good for you as it was for me. When you're doing your windows, shut your windows first. Make sure you shut your windows before you pressure wash them. Same thing, spray the cleaner. You might have to go back because sometimes it'll streak. It's not complicated. You just got to have the right tools. Even if you don't have the right technique, you'll get it. Here we go. I'm not going to show you the whole rest of the house. You don't need that. So that's how you pressure wash your house. Enjoy homesteading.